You played me. Doom, 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 doom. We got another box. Let's open it up and see what we got. Are you excited about this one? Let me grab my trusty sidekick, old Bluey. Come on, man. Open the box. Let's see what we got. Oh, something by T-Mobile. What could it be? Here's the back. T-Mobile Internet 5G Gateway. Here's the T-Mobile 5G Gateway. So I'm going to have the one upstairs, and now I'm going to have the one downstairs. So I'll have two routers in my house. All right, so let's get it open. Let's unbox this bad baby and see what we got in here. Let's see all the good things that come in the box.
All right.
Oh yeah. See the first thing that comes in the box. Let's tear this off. Put that to the side. So it looks like we don't get nothing else in the box. So looks like they played me. I didn't get any wires inside of the box. So now I have to call T-Mobile and ask, where did my wires go? So did they send me out an old one and forgot to put the wires back in? Same as before, USB-C, power. Come on out of here. So did I get a SIM card in here? Oh, they just played me. So I get no SIM card. Alright, they played me. So this is the unboxing of the T-Mobile Home Internet 5G Gateway with no wires, no SIM card. So now I have to call T-Mobile and see what's going on. T-Mobile, you played me. How am I supposed to use this with no SIM card, no wires? And no, this is not a replacement. I'm still supposed to get the wires and a SIM card with it because I'm using it in another area in the house. Man, I can't believe this. Well, they just played me. This looks just like my other. This one don't even look new. What the? This the same one they gave me last year. So talking about, oh, this is a new one. Really? This is supposed to be new with no SIM card, no power wire, no yellow cord. I didn't get any of the things that I'm supposed to get inside the box. And then, like I said, this is not a replacement. T-Mobile, what are y'all doing? Are y'all busy putting up new towers? All right, man. Let me go because I got to go call T-Mobile, see what's going on with them. I'm about to call T-Mobile right now. T-Mobile Home Internet.
Welcome to T-Mobile Home Internet. I'll take you right over to someone who can help. We care about your experience, so we may record this call.
Hello?
Hello, this is Susanna with T-Mobile. I was just giving
So I'll see y'all in the next one. Let me get on the phone with T-Mobile and see what's going on. Find out where the rest of my stuff is. Talk to y'all later. See you in the next one. Peace!